What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today with this video we'll be finding the integral of this function here. As you can see now we have sigma negative 2 cos x over 2 dx. Remember, when you have dx, basically this means we are integrating in terms of xo with respect to x. Now guys, you can pause this video if you think you can do this one and solve it, and let's see if your answer is going to be the same as the answer that you're going to get at the end of this video. Alright guys, now if you're new on this channel, I would like to suggest that you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and you can able to see new videos that I will upload as soon as possible. Guys, I made videos on previous chapters that I've already done here. You can go to the playlist section and watch those videos. Alright, let's do this problem here guys. As you can see, now we need to know what is the integral of cos. Now let me just do it here so that you can able to substitute. First of all, when we have sigma, or when we integrate cos, this is cos and x, right? The integral of cos is positive sine. In fact, it's positive sine. It's positive sine n x over n plus c. So this is a standard derivative of cos, basically. So just in case you don't know where are these, or you want to know further about these derivatives of trigonometric ratios, you can go to this video here and watch those video there. That video, I'm explaining this further, right? Okay, now let's do it. Now y is equal to, this is a quotient. Do not forget, this negative 2 is a quotient of a trigonometric function, so you're gonna write it as negative 2. Then multiply by, let's look at our trigonometric ratio from cos to sine. So this is gonna be sine, right? Then our n, which is 1 over 2, or you can say x over 2, so you can write it like that, it's still fine. Then this is divided by half, so rather divide like this guys, okay? Divided by n, remember, divide this by n, so it's gonna be half. All right, and then do not forget this plus c, just do it like that, plus c. So c basically means that this is a constant, and also indicates that these are indefinite integrals. So if you continue like that, let's simplify. So we're gonna have negative 2 sine x over 2. So we can change this and say multiplication, right? If we multiply now this division sign, change it to multiplication, the numerator becomes denominator, and the denominator becomes numerator. So this is going to be 2 over 1, right? Then plus c. So to finish up everything here, this 2 multiplied by this negative 2, now you're going to have negative 4 sine x over 2 plus c. So this is your final answer, guys. So the challenge here probably could be this division here. Remember, n is a fraction here, it's 1 over 2. Remember, if it's x over 2, basically it's x multiplied by 1 over 2, which is our n. So some of you might not be able to see this one. And again, when you change, or when you integrate cos, sign is positive, but because we have a negative here, this remains negative. I hope you guys managed to do this one. Just in case you get confused here, I made a video that is here. Go and watch that video so that you can able to see the difference of sine and cos when you integrate, right? Even the signs. Guys, if this video managed to help you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you can able to see a new video that I'm gonna upload, because I'm planning to upload lots and lots of videos. Anyway, share this video to your friends, and do not forget, guys, to click on the playlist that will appear on this video so that you can watch the videos where I find the integrals of the trigonometric ratio. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, cheers.